Good morning, this is Jack from Charles in the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 29th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin daily chart. Now, we saw a back test of the 150 DMA yesterday, and so far that is held. I would note that if we come back and retest this short-term low and then see another rally, we could get a possible RSI 5 daily buy signal brewing. In terms of the hourly chart, not much has changed. We've got the flag, we have broken down from the flag, and we've got a target down at a retest of 80.6k. And at the moment, we're just trading sideways until we head down towards that target, or at least that would be the obvious read. All right, looking at Solana. We didn't quite make it up to the 150 DMA for a back test. But still obviously hanging out pretty close to the lows, just over 120. In terms of the setup here, we had a double bottom breakup, and it failed, and we're basically back to the full failure target would be 116.85, and generally I would expect that to be hit. We haven't hit it yet, and I'm still expecting it to. Obviously, there's a pretty good chance that as and when we do hit that, we're going to continue down into this 95.24, which is the head and shoulder target. Looking at Ethereum, we backtested the 150 DMA there yesterday. That has held so far. Don't have the same situation on the RSI 5 here. There's no prospect really of setting up a possible daily buy signal. I'm not really expecting one in any case. I mean, we've formed second flags here. If you have a look at the hourly chart, we had the first flag, and then we had the second flag, which is a triangle. It's not unknown to set up a third flag. I expand from one into the next, but I'm not really expecting to see that here, but it is a possibility worth considering. I'm not seeing much sign of that happening at the moment. We've got no hourly buy signals or sell signals. So really, I'm still waiting for the next target here, which would be a retest of 26.2104, and then likely continuation down towards the big head and shoulder target, which is in the 2070 area. All right, great. In summary, not a great deal has changed. We had a bit of a rally yesterday, and that gave it up pretty quickly. That may be as far as it gets. In terms of equities, I was warning yesterday that in terms of equities, we could see a strong week next week. We're hitting an inflection point on equities where we could see a strong week, and next week actually we've got 3 fully bullish days, including Monday, first day of February, which is traditionally a very bullish day. So I'm going to be watching to see whether or not that actually breaks us anywhere to the upside. If we see a breakout to the upside on equities, then that makes it more likely we would see a more extended rally on crypto. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers.